Hey guys, welcome back. It's time for another Face Mask Friday.
Hi guys.
You guys remember this guy? Hey guy.
Hi.
Who are you?
I'm your husband.
Oh,
Yeah. So,
cool.
yep.
So this is Douglas.
Hi.
And Douglas always joins me for Face Mask Friday.
Yeah, we haven't done one in a while.
Yeah.
And like long-time viewers will remember them, but yeah.
We've got a whole playlist if you want to see our past ones.
Ooh.
Douglas is not just another my boyfriend does my face mask trope. He's like a serious expert.
Yeah, we're
He's
here.
pretty hot, eh? Anyway, let's do some face masks. So,
Sure.
as you're my guest.
Yeah, what are we doing today?
Am I your guest?
I mean, it was originally my show, so yes, you are still my guest.
Alright. So, do you want me to say them or you to say them?
Let's both say them at the same time.
So, option 1 is the Tatcha
Tatcha.
Luminous
You just say it.
Dewy Skin Mask. We got this in a BoxyCharm a while ago.
Okay.
Tatcha's pretty like bougie stuff, so it's just a hydrating face mask.
Moschino and Sephora Toy Honey Mask?
Yeah, the perfect moisturizing honey mask to be on the hunt for, not from.
I know, he's pretty scary.
Yeah, so another hydrating face mask, but this one's a cute bear. Do you think there's a bear underneath, or do you think it's...
oh, yeah, is it like face-shaped or
yeah,
bear-shaped?
Yeah,
Or like...
it could be brown even.
Yeah.
I think it's got a character mask. That's what they call it, character mask.
Character masks?
Donation from Salem, our number one fan.
Yeah, thank you.
So these are from the brand TonyMoly.
TonyMoly?
It's Korean.
Sure. Cool.
And mine says, I'm Cactus mask sheet.
I'm Lavender.
Yeah, so yours is hydrating, mine's purifying.
I think I do want the Cactus one.
Alright, well, don't get too excited. We haven't picked your mask
I
yet.
mean, but like, okay,
Right,
fine.
and you've got one more choice here.
Okay.
Give you that. This one's another lavender option. These are some, I don't know how to say it, if it's Juve or Juve. Juve eye masks, which is a steaming eye mask, which we've actually tried before.
Oh, okay.
But not this brand.
I know, like the cacti.
Yeah?
Honestly.
You want to go for the TonyMoly?
Yeah, let's go with
Alright.
TonyMoly.
Sounds good.
Cool. Leave in the comments which one you'd like to see next. The Cactus mask makes uneven skin tone look radiant and glowing, while the Lavender mask helps to hydrate dry skin. Directions are the same. So tear open and apply to face. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes, and then remove. Caution, for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. Keep out of reach of children. Discontinue if signs of irritation and or rash appear. Thank you.
So these masks look like they retail for about like $4 US each, so maybe like
Okay.
5 or 6 Canadian dollars.
Sure.
Yeah.
What do you think? Do you think that was, from the experience so far, do you think that's worth it?
I have high hopes for TonyMoly. It's a pretty
Okay,
like
cool.
big skincare brand.
Oh,
so
nice.
I think it should be good.
I know very little about TonyMoly, so yeah, cool, good to know.
I was looking at the back and it's like pulp and rayon, so maybe it's like an
Ooh.
extra plush mask or something. 3-layer, it says. It's a
Okay.
long one too,
We will
20 to
see.
30.
Yeah, that's pretty long.
Ooh, mine's dripping already.
Oh, right. Do it on camera.
No protective sheet or anything on this, just
No, just
pure face mask.
yeah.
Mine smells super astringenty.
Can you guys hear Toby? Toby's just being weird. A little, right? I forgot this is gonna be a problem. Beard.
Oh yeah.
Feels a little tiny on my face. I feel like the eye holes could just be a bit bigger. I guess I could like stretch them out a little bit. Maybe that's on. Oop.
Oh no.
Never mind. We'll just deal with that. Okay. I usually focus on my like T-zone anyway, so.
No, yours smells different than mine.
Yeah, mine's not
Pretty.
lavender. Yeah, cactus.
Cool. Well, I think the mask is a pretty good fit, personally. I feel like it's pretty generous along, like, the jaw and stuff.
It would be, definitely. Like, I'm not going to, like, fault it for my beard. I just noticed that, like, yeah, it's always the eyes that I have problems with.
And the nose is a little bit short even for me.
Yeah. So, yeah, cool.
Yeah, but subtle smell, nothing too strong.
No.
No feeling.
No.
So.
Just a lotion so far.
Yeah. We'll just take
20, 30 minute break, and yeah.
We'll be right back.
Cool. Good enough. Cool. So, yeah, it's been 20 minutes so far. Masks have held on pretty well. Mine's been floppy, but like,
I feel like mine's super secure. It's like really
yeah,
on there.
noticing yours is just like attached. So cool.
Mine feels super cold. Does
it?
yours feel like cold? Like feel how cold mine feels.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah, it's like very cooling and.
Yeah, I did notice mine was pretty cooling too. But yeah, cool. Let's see. We'll take it off.
I don't think it was ever like so moisturized that it was like dripping until we like first took it out of the package.
Yeah.
But it did stay very moist throughout the whole.
Like I'm just rubbing the like serum on now just to like get some more of it. I don't think it feels like sticky at all. What do you think?
It's got a nice layer of like serum on the skin.
Yeah.
But no, it doesn't feel like sticky or anything.
So yeah. What do you think?
I actually really liked it.
Cool. Me too.
What would you give it out of 5?
I don't know.
I think it was a decent price.
Yeah. Decent. We got it from a friend.
Decent smell.
Yeah. I did like the smell a lot. I'm trying to think of like what the smell would have been. 1 second. I feel like, is it cactus smell? It doesn't say. So, sorry.
Prickly pear.
Sorry? Prickly pear? Oh.
That was your flavor.
Oh, that makes sense.
I don't know if that's true. Yeah, it was a good size. I feel like the mask was a little delicate. Like we both kind of ripped ours a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
Unfurling it.
It happens, but yeah.
It held on real well.
Yeah.
So, do you want to rate it first or should I rate it first?
I guess I can rate it. Yeah, I'd say... I want to say like a 3.5.
I'm going to give it a 3.7.
What? Why? We've never done a 0.7.
I don't think it's quite like 4 amazing.
No, and I
like
was
really
thinking
solid,
that too.
but
I know, I was sticking to like the half points.
I just wanted a 1 up you. Or 0.2 up you.
So yeah. It was a nice mask. Would I do it again? Like, yeah, probably.
Yeah, I definitely would. I would buy the whole set to try them. There's a bunch of different sets. There's like pearl and lotus. And
yeah, sounds good to me.
A bunch of other ones. So yeah, really good. Probably pretty accessible for most people, either online or at your Korean beauty shop, or like we can get them at T&T, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, nice. I think it feels good on my beard for whatever that's worth. So
yeah, nice. My skin was feeling like super dehydrated before, so nice to do mask skin and kind of like get back into the moisture groove.
Yeah, God, because it's been so cold. I should moisturize, just like in general, not more anymore. I've stopped. So thank you everyone for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, follow us on social media. Consider supporting us on our Patreon.
Yeah.
I don't know the rest. What else?
That's pretty much it.
Okay, cool.
So we'll see you again for the next Face Mask Friday.
Yeah.
If you enjoyed Dougie and you want to see more of him, let us know. But he has done quite a few videos on the channel, so if you want to get to know him a little bit better, there'll be some more of his videos that have been popping up in the corner. So check them out.
Yeah. Bye.
Good work.
Good work to you too.
Even though you called me
your wife. I'm
my wife.